Hello guys, today I would like to show you how we can install Livewire into Laravel project. So I'm gonna leave all documentation links down below in the description so you can find it later. First of all, we will need empty Laravel project, so we can do that by running command composer, create project, Laravel, and Livewire tutorial. So it's gonna install Laravel in our Teku folder, and we need to wait a little bit. Here's a quick start how to do it. Also, there's a deep dive into Livewire, how to use it. There's a lot of screencasts, so you can watch now, but I'm just here to help you start with Livewire. First of all, we need to install Livewire by running composer, require Livewire. Then we need to include the JavaScript on every page that will be used in Livewire. Let's say you want to use Livewire only in CMS, so you can do that, and we need to include it like this. After that, after you've done all these two steps, you can run command to generate a new Livewire component. We have our Livewire tutorial Laravel installed, and I'm gonna cd into that. So let's copy this command, paste it, boom, it's working, it's installing, boom, it's done. Now in welcome page, I'm gonna delete everything, skyfold, new HTML. Before closing head tag, I'm gonna paste in Livewire styles, and just before the body tag closes, I'm gonna put Livewire scripts. Now, as I mentioned before, now you can create all components that you want, so let's make it one. Just follow the tutorial, guys, follow the documentation, and you will see how it's easy to do stuff like this. Just read and take your time, you know. Would you like to show some love by starting the repo? Yes, but actually no. We have our counter component, our blade, right? Inside our blade, just do hello Teku, blade. Include the components like now we will run our Laravel app, and we can see hello Teku bit. So as you can see, everything is working, everything is ready. So guys, just follow documentation, read, and you will find many answers on almost every topic you can think of. Have fun and make some crazy projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.